All right. So this is another question from SAT practice test. Um, so basically, what they're asking is they give you a couple of equations, and they're asking you like which equation satisfy all the numbers listed in this table. So the table gives you values for x and corresponding value for y. Um, so there are like a couple of ways to do this. Longest way is like to apply each and every value of this x and y in this each and every equation here in the choices. That will take you like a solid 3 or 4 minutes. Whenever you see that your approach takes more than a minute, then you're doing something wrong. So the simplest way to do this is look at the values for x and y. See, there is 0 here in x. So if you can apply this value like x equal to 0 and see if y comes 3, you can check it out. Let's start with the equation A. So if you put x as 0 here, then y is actually 3. So that value actually works. There is a next equation. If you put x as 3 here, again y is 3 here. So both A and B satisfy the values given in this row, right? And it's so obvious, like if you put x here, then y becomes 6. Here if you put 0 here, y becomes 6, and so on. So you can just strike out this CDE choices, right? So basically all these choices are gone. You have only 2 choices left. So the life is easy now. You don't need to choose 1 out of 5, you need to choose 1 out of 2. Now like try the another value, x equal to 1. So if you put x equal to 1, let's go with the equation A. If x is 1, y will be 4, and but y is supposed to be 6, right? So that value is wrong. So let me write this up. So for the equation A, if x is 1, y is 1 cube plus 3, which is equal to 4. So that's not what we want. Now so A is not going to work. So obviously the B is your choice. You can just stop right here, mark your choice as B, and then move on to the next question. If you are so curious to know whether B really works, you can just see, apply this x equal to 1 value to this equation B. Y is 3x plus 3. X is 1. So 3 times 1 plus 3 equals to 6. So now you got this y equal to 6. You can also randomly check some other value. Suppose say the x equal to 2. If you put that value in the equation B, if x equal to 2, 3 times 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 3 9, then you got y equal to 9. So it all will work. Like I said before, your choices are limited. Once you strike out the A, then your choice is just B, nothing else. So that's about it.